अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्लास सिक्स्थ छठी क्लास और सब्जेक्ट है जोग्राफिया। जोग्राफिया में हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है मेजर डोमेन्स ऑफ द अर्थ। इसमें सब टॉपिक है लिथोस्फीयर। लिथोस्फीयर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। द सॉलिड पोर्शन ऑफ द अर्थ इज कॉल्ड द लिथोस्फीयर. It comprises the rocks of the Earth's crust and the thin layers of soil that contain nutrient elements which sustain organisms. There are two main divisions of the Earth's surface. The large land masses are known as the continents, and the huge water bodies are called the ocean basins. All the oceans of the world are connected with one another. Look at the map of the world, figure 5.1. Are all the land masses connected with one another? The level of seawater remains the same everywhere. Elevation of land is measured from the level of the sea, which is taken as 0. The highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, is 8,848 meters above the sea level. The greatest depth of 11,022 meters is recorded at Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. Could you imagine that depth of sea is much more than the highest point? आज का सबक खत्म हुआ। कल आइंदा इससे आगे पढ़ेंगे।